Replacement of a 15 amps 250 volts receptacle installed in a metal junction box. Turn off the power. Make sure the power is turned off. Unscrew the receptacle from the junction box. Disconnect the receptacle from the wiring. Junction box wires. Bare, ground. Black, hot. White, should be marked in black, hot. Mark the white wire in black as the hot wire. "15 amps, 250 volts receptacle, front view. Hot slots. Ground slot. Receptacle yoke. Screw holes for mounting the receptacle wall plate. Ears supporting the receptacle can be cut off, if necessary. 15 amps, 250 volts receptacle, rear view. Ground terminal, green screw. Hot terminals, gold screws. Installation screws. As of 2017, the NEC, National Electrical Code, requires all non-locking type 15 and 20 amps, 125 or 250 volts receptacles to be tamper-resistant in certain areas, with some exceptions. Check local requirements. Connect the receptacle as follows. Ground, bare, wire from the junction box to the ground terminal, green screw. Hot, black, wires from the junction box to the hot terminals, gold screws. Secure the receptacle to the junction box and install the receptacle wall plate.